DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Okay, this is my water jet digger. It's how you can make a small ditch narrow, and also if you got hard ground, it'll soften it up to where then you can use your trencher to make your trench. This is a golf cart, or an old golf whatever, and it's got a fire hose nozzle in the front. This is like a 3/4 to hose fitting. This is schedule 40, and at the end you got a valve. So what you do is you just open the valve, and you got your water jet, and then you just move it back slowly. You keep the tip in the water, because if you let it out, it'll douche you like that. You see that? But you can go deeper too by just tilting it forward like that. But what it'll do is it'll make a narrow little trench for you, and you just keep moving it back. It's going deep, pretty deep. And just drag it back. Now you can go forward too, and what you can do is you tilt it down, and you can draw your line. Okay? It'll help you draw a nice straight line. And then you can see what I mean about douching you? And you can go forwards, but I don't like to go forwards. I like to just go back. Anyway, let me shut it off because I don't want to get douched. But going backwards is the best. You can draw a line first or whatever, and just drag it backwards. I'll sit there and loosen up the dirt for you. This is desert, so it's hard packed and it's tough to dig. It's not clay. I can be thankful for that. I don't know how this will work on clay. But it'll just dig it deep. You can go real deep with this. There's a rock there. You can drive that way down and then clean it out. I think I got a rock in there. I'm gonna have to clean that out. Should be a cleaner stream. I'll bet you anything I got a rock in there, because I had to hook up an old hose to give me the reach. Anyway, there you go. I got that rock out of there. Now the other thing you can do is you can just lift it up and move back slowly, and see how it makes a nice, really skinny ditch. I'm gonna get douched. Okay. Now going forward, you can actually clean out the ditch. Yeah. So you can actually dig the ditch with this. I'd actually forgotten how to use this. This is designed mainly for going forward. If you go backwards, that just makes it deep. But check it out. This is how you draw your line. So it's straight. And then it's just a matter of, clean out. It'll actually clean out the ditch. There we go. Yeah, that's how I designed it. Because it's on wheels, it'll tilt. I'm burying a 12 gauge extension cord for I'm going to get a log splitter. And I got to have 12 gauge. So what I'm going to just bury the extension cord. That's an easy way to run, electric. Just take an extension cord and bury it, You don't need Romex or any of that fancy shit. And it's colored yellow, or most of the time, and, so if anybody digs it up, they'll be notified that it's something critical, maybe. And once you get the ditch sort of done, hydroplane, you can just clean it out. Just going to bury that extension cord in here. And you just clean it out. It's going to be that deep, maybe 3 or 4 inches. I'm thinking I get my log splitter on Thursday. So it's going to get everything ready for it. So all I got to do is plug it in. I already trimmed a bunch of logs. I got to trim a few more. Get them ready to go. But ooh, I got a dislocation here. I wonder what's in there. Battery? What the hell is that? Solenoid? No. Oh, it's a battery energizer. A D. Ooh, there's a hole for it. Don't ever dig the ditch deeper than or wider than you need to. That's how I dig a ditch. If you don't take the dirt out, you just scrape it. Then you got dirt on both sides to fill it back in. Hello, Mr. Hydro. How are you doing today? You're in the way a little bit. Well, you guys get the idea. That's how you do it. What I think I have to do, come to think of it, is I'm a little bit short. I think I got to cut this corner, come to think of it. Cut this corner and get me some more cord at the end, because it's kind of short. By the way, if you like this video, please like it and the thumbs up and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 users. Thank you very much.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.